Resistance and control. How should young people cope? Young people's resistance to control is a common phenomenon in the course of human development. However, if not handled properly, this resistance can lead to various challenges in their lives and careers. To expand on this topic, we can explore how young people can better navigate the balance between resistance and control. First, young people should recognize that resisting control does not mean outright rejecting all guidance and advice. In both work and life, older and more experienced individuals can often offer valuable insights and suggestions. Young people can selectively accept these opinions and extract the benefits for themselves. This open-minded approach helps them grow and achieve success in their careers. Second, young people need to learn to adjust their control desires in different situations. In team collaboration and group projects, they must respect others' opinions and decisions to foster teamwork and improve overall efficiency. Excessive control can lead to conflict and friction, which is detrimental to team development. Third, young people should cultivate self-reflection. By regularly assessing their own behaviors and attitudes, they can better understand their strengths and weaknesses. Self-reflection helps them recognize when their desire for control is excessive and take measures to adjust. This approach not only benefits their performance in work and life but also enables them to behave more maturely and rationally in their interactions with others. Furthermore, young people can seek mentorship to help them better cope with the challenges of control and resistance. By connecting with older or more experienced individuals, young people can receive valuable advice and support that will aid them in their careers. In this process, young people need to maintain a flexible and open attitude, adapting to different situations and demands. They must continuously learn and grow, honing their adaptability and problem-solving skills. Through these means, they can find their balance between resistance and control, paving the way for their lives and career development. In this complex world, young people must constantly adjust their mindset and strategies to navigate the challenges of resistance and control. By developing self-awareness, communication skills, and emotional intelligence, they can better strike the right balance and create a brighter future for themselves and others. Young people facing the contradictions between control and resistance must find ways to balance this challenge effectively. By cultivating an open mindset and a continuous learning attitude, they can better adapt their behavior and attitudes. Drawing on others' experiences, listening to advice, and maintaining independent thought can help them find their footing in complex work and life environments. However, young people should be cautious of excessive resistance, as it can lead to strained relationships and impact teamwork and personal development. Thus, reasonably expressing their opinions and needs while respecting others' views and positions is crucial in navigating the contradictions between control and resistance. Furthermore, young people should avoid overly pursuing control, which can result in arrogance and self-righteousness. Such an attitude can trap them in a blind confidence, causing them to disregard valuable experiences and advice from others. In a constantly changing social and professional environment, maintaining humility and a learning mindset is essential for young people. By developing good communication and collaboration skills, young people can adapt better to teamwork and group projects, minimizing frictions with others. In this process, they can learn to work with people from diverse backgrounds and perspectives, thereby enhancing their emotional intelligence and teamwork skills. These abilities not only contribute to their career success but also bring positive impacts on their personal development. Throughout this journey, young people must continually reflect on their behavior and attitudes to ensure that their pursuit of independence and freedom does not lead to excessive resistance or harm others. By maintaining an open and flexible mindset, young people can find their footing between control and resistance, paving the way for their lives and careers. In this complex world, young people need to find their balance between control and resistance. This is not only a challenge but also an opportunity. Can they find their rhythm in this process, maintaining independence while cooperating with others? Young people, are you ready for this challenge?